So how do you turn off the sleep alarm on the Apple Watch? Let's get started. If this is your first time in here, most definitely subscribe so you never miss anything important. So, of course, you can open up the Watch app of the iPhone and go to the sleep section, which is part of the apps, and you can manage some of the things in here. So, obviously, you need to have the track sleep with the Apple Watch if you want to use it, right? But then you also have some other things and like other notifications, sort of, right? So, you can see we have the charging reminders. So, it's gonna remind you to charge before bedtime, right? So you can see like another notification which you perhaps might not be interested in, right? Then we also have the sleep score notification. So you can see that you can all as well be reminded about that, right? So that's something which you can manage in here as well. But you can see you can customize the sleep schedule, focus, and wind it down in the settings app. So it can link you right there. And it will just make you move over to the sleep focus. And in there, you can as well manage your schedule. So if you don't like the ability that you are like, and the Apple Watch is telling you when to go to bed, this is the thing. So the sleep schedule can be turned off, or you can as well just change it as such. You can see that you can change the bedtime and alarm, and in there we also have the alarm option. So as well, you might have it all set up, but if you don't like the alarm, that's how you can turn it off. So that would basically be all about this functionality. So I really hope that I can help you out with it. Most definitely subscribe for more tips and quick tutorials and videos like this one. But for now, that's it. Thanks a lot, and I'll talk to you later.